Okay guys, so we got this hitch here that's going to be getting installed onto this Volkswagen right here, Mk4. So this is where it's going to be placed somewhat roughly, because the guy here is going to be getting put into here, and then this guy and this guy will be going up along here to here. This guy here kind of going right around here, but we got to cut out some of this plastic here, I think. I'm not fully sure yet. Let's find out. Before doing that part, we're going to take those guys, place them here and here, lift it up so we have better clearance and more easier access to get underneath and through the trunk. This guy, this car, guys, this one's also going to get a muffler delete. This one ain't cutting it, and then I need to get rid of the cat up there. But yeah, that's how you back up your car nice and pretty, perfect, just like that. But let's get rid of this guy. Okay, so the best way you can take your muffler off is through this guy here. But you don't want to cut it right, because you want to reuse it for your next muffler that you install. So you want to get a 13mm socket, get that, get back there, and back there. So the bolt back there, they were pretty hard to get at. So I used one of these guys here to get it off, and it worked like a charm, so well done. Now it's officially time for this guy. For your next part, you want to remove everything out of this area that's down below, because you're gonna be drilling holes through here, right? So you don't want to really puncture something like your tire, and then if you get stranded on the side of the road, how the hell are you supposed to get home if you don't have another spare tire? So yeah, just make sure you clear out all this. We're gonna be drilling through here, and yeah. So basically, and voila, it's all cleared out. So now you're good for drilling. Let's get to it. Okay, so I didn't really think that far ahead for what's gonna help me lift that up, and I thought, you know what, let's just use this jack here. This thing will be perfect. It'll lift it up, be able to let me mark my holes in. Perfect, and let's get to it. So this is what it's looking like so far. Got that one bolt in where I was talking about before. Now I just got the two here, one there, and this little guy to add for more reinforcement on this side here. Well, for that one goes up. So we're gonna add this, and I believe this guy goes up top, add two holes. We're good and we're cooking. That's what we're talking about. But yeah, this is what I was also talking about too. Use your jack, help you lift it up and gets it perfect. So basically you're gonna wanna start on this side, get this bolt done, and then you're gonna wanna start on this guy here. Get that pre-bolt done, and I know that's crappy primer, but I don't care, nobody's gonna see it. And then you'll work your way here and here, drill, and then you'll drop your pins through. I'll show you guys kind of the rest of it. I know I haven't shown much, but just a basic understanding how to put it in and whatnot and where you're going. Okay, so honestly, I got carried away and forgot to record what I was doing along my way. But honestly, you want to just drill holes through here, holes through here. And yes, I had to get new screws. That's what got me carried away. Had to find new ones, but these ones are too long. So just for now, they're going to be used for it. But this is not a good idea. You should not do this. Well, I could just cut it off. So actually, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to and then call it good. I'm not going to really ever need to take this thing off again. So may as well. But yeah, so like I said before, when we're starting there, you want to drill and down there. So, but this is what it looks like so far. And then for up here, you're gonna want to drill your second hole. Same with a plate on this side. Well, this plate was meant for here. The other plate wasn't. I just added it because honestly, I wanted better support along here. So it's like a sandwich, clamping it down from both sides, getting at it. Same with right over there. And yeah, she isn't pretty perfect in here, but that's what I've done. Probably take a picture after for the thumbnail about this. Well, yeah, that's how you guys do it. Get her done. But yeah, I had to change these guys out because those other bolts were too rusted. So fresh new bolts, same ones like those up here, blue, and they're powder coated now. Everything just quick sloppy doppy, nothing magically shining. They just can get spray painted over with black or whatever, I guess. Not looking pretty here, whatever. Not the biggest deal. But anyways, that's how you guys do it. Quick simple step. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Just how to quickly install a hitch on an Mk4 TDI 1.9 liter. Other than that, hope you guys have a great day and come back for the next video.